Hi everyone. Here's a quick guide on verifying your token contract on the Explorer. To verify your token contract, simply go to the Manage Token page, select your token, then click the Verify Source Code button. Now, select the block Explorer on which you wish to have the token contract verified. Choose the desired form of verification. You can remove or customize this branding for a fee. In this video, we will choose to verify while inserting a custom branding. Select Add your own custom branding, acknowledge terms and conditions, then click Submit and pay fees in your wallet. You can use custom branding to embed a message or link to your website/channels directly on the token smart contract. Feel free to use it for any other desired purpose. Once the transaction is complete, your token contract will be verified. The source code is now displayed publicly on the Block Explorer, improving credibility and trust in your project. Bitbond Token Tool, tokens made easy.